What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're about to solve for x in this dope trig equation here, and we got it bounded between 0 and 2 pi, so we're working with radians in this particular one. Now, anytime I see, let's see, we got two different trig functions within the same equation here. One of them is squared. I can use my Pythagorean identities to change this guy here into terms of cosine. So let's do that right at the start. I'm going to have 1 minus cosine squared x. For that one right there, I'm going to have -1 plus cosine x still on my left-hand side. Now what I want to do is I want to bring everything to one side because I'm noticing a quadratic type action going on in this bad boy when I got something squared, got linear, and then I got a constant. All right, so what side do I go to? Well, if I've got a negative cosine squared, I want to make that lead guy positive no matter what, right? It's just a lot easier to deal with when my quadratic term is positive. So I'm going to add cosine squared, and I'll get cosine squared x over here. I'm going to subtract 1, which makes that into -2. So let's first put our cosine x. That doesn't change. But then we got -2 equals 0. All right. Now we have ourselves a lovely quadratic. It's set equal to 0, just like we loved doing back in like Algebra 1 days when it was just x's. Now we're going cray with some trig. All right, so we got a factor. What multiplies to -2 and adds to 1? That's going to be +2 cosine of x plus 2. And we're going to have -1 cosine of x minus 1. Boom, 0, America. All right, so this one here, I'm going to get cosine of x equals -2. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. My hypotenuse is always the largest side. So is this even possible to get a number like this? Nope. Not going to get one from there, all right? Not going to get one from there. Let's try this bad boy right here. Could be no solution overall. I don't know, man. All right, we set that equal to 0. That's going to be cosine of x is equal to +1. Cosine most certainly does equal 1, and it is at 0 right there. We got 0 for that answer. That's about it. So x, this should really have had that right there. Whoops. All right, so we get 0. Boom, diggity. That's it. That's dope. That is awesome.